Hi guys! So today, i-share ko sa inyo kung paano i-compute ang MP2 savings or Modified Pag-ibig 2 savings. So ito yung kailangan natin na information: month, contribution, dividend factor, dividend rate, and dividend. So ito yung mga highlighted in blue. Ito yung kailangan or manual input natin. And then dividend factor to dividend rate is computation. So, input muna natin yung months. From January to December. Drag lang natin. Then, next is contribution. So, kunwari, naghulog ka ng 500 per month.
Next naman is dividend factor. So, paano ba kinocompute ang dividend factor? Number of months, nakikita yung contribution mo divided by number of months per year. So, example, January, naghulog ka ng 500. Ilang months siyang kikita sa isang buong taon. So, from January to December, 12 months. So, 12 months mag-earn yung contribution mo na 500. 12 divided by number of months per year. 12. Enter. Next is February. Ilang months na lang siyang kikita hanggang December. So, 11 months na lang. So, type equal 11 months divided by 12 months. So, basically, nababawasan siya every next month. Kasi, yun na lang yung remaining months na mag-earn yung contribution mo. For example, March, 10 na lang siya. 10 divided by 12. So, input lang natin to hanggang December. Ayan na, input na natin lahat. So, sa April, 9 months na lang siyang kikita. May, 8 months, hanggang December, 1 month na lang. So, next naman is dividend rate. So, makukuha ito sa Pag-ibig website. Dividend rates, ayan. So, balik tayo sa home. Punta ka lang sa Program and Benefits, MP2, then sa baba, ito yung dividend rates. So, ang updated dividend rates is 7.05% for the year of 2023. So, input lang natin dito, 7.05%. So, sa entire year, ito yung lalagay natin. Then, dividend, type equal, select contribution times dividend factor times dividend rate. So, same lang computation hanggang December. Drag lang natin. So, sum natin yung total contribution nyo for the entire or dividend nyo for the entire 2023. So, 229.13. So, example natin yung contribution ko as of last year, 2023. So, copy lang natin tong template. Delete natin yung contribution. So, check natin sa virtual pag-ibig yung nahulog ko last year. So, ayan. From August to December, ang nahulog ko is 12.5. So, August, September, 2 beses, November, and December. So, ito yung dividend ko last year, 235. So, tingnan natin sa ginawa nating computation or template kung tama ba. So, August, 2.5. September, 5,000. 2 beses yung 2.5. So, 5,000. October, wala tayong nahulog. November, 2,500. December, 2,500. So, magkano yung total dividend natin? Ayan. 235. Tama yung computation natin.